Hi everyone. For today, we're here to unbox the 12 South AirFly Pro wireless audio adapter. Here is an audio adapter na if you're flying frequently, pwede nyo itong isaksak dun sa may console doon sa aeroplano nyo. Then you can hear the music wirelessly. Wala nang yung mga cable na pinaprovide ng mga airlines. Let's go. Here it is. It's a box. So it comes with this bubble wrap. So here you go. Mayroon pa siyang paper cover. So here it is. It's the AirFly Pro. So this particular model is the Pro version. There is another version which is just the non-Pro. So the difference is the main difference is this one you can connect to up to 2 headset, where the non-Pro version you can only connect just one headset. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay. Ito pa. So here it is. I've chosen the black version pala. Kasi there is a white version for this one as well. Mas gusto kasi yung black. Kasi hindi siya, stealthy siya. Hindi agad halata. Okay, so it also comes with this, pouch. With this pouch. And inside the pouch is ang hirap tanggalin. Wait lang. Yan. Kasi mga documentation, literature. And this one is probably fully, I don't know, the app or something. So yan. Yan yung nasa loob ng pouch. Tsaka ng box. Then, of course, ito yung charger. You need to charge this. Ito is USB-C. As you can see. Yung USB-C. Yung ano niya. Charger. Which is very convenient. Tapos, itong part na to. This one is the one you insert to your, any devices, including yung mga device airlines. So, it connects via Bluetooth. So, for this version, the Pro version, it connects up to 2 headsets. So what you'll just do is pair mo lang yung device mo into pairing mode, then you just press this. So hintayin mo lang siyang blink ng ganyan. Then once naka-detect siya ng pairing din na device, Bluetooth device, then it will pair instantly. Okay, so I think that's it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.